In the world of an online business, the concept of a sales funnel is fundamental to driving revenue and growth. A well-structured sales funnel drives potential customers through their journey, converting interest into sales. Hi, I'm Jackie, and today in this short video, I'm going to give you an insight into understanding sales funnels and talk to you about why every business needs one to succeed and make money online.
Okay, so here's a closer look at what a sales funnel is and why it's crucial for making money. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to talk about what a sales funnel actually is, just give you a brief overview. And then I'm going to focus on 5 reasons why every business needs a sales funnel. And finally, I'm going to show you a template that I created in Systeme, and it's a sales funnel. It's a one-page sales funnel. Okay, so let's get started. So what is a sales funnel? Well, a sales funnel is basically a step-by-step process that takes the potential customer from the initial awareness of your brand to the final purchase. And it's called a funnel, as you can see from the picture, because it starts with a broad audience at the top and then narrows down as prospects move through each stage, and ultimately leading to a smaller number of actual buyers. So that's kind of your niche market, something that we've talked about previously. So at the top of the funnel is awareness. And this really is attracting the attention of your potential customers through marketing methods such as YouTube, so such as this video that you're watching now, or social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Content marketing, or even paid ads, or even, paid ads or Google search really is another one, isn't it? Then we've got interest. So interest really means engaging the prospects by providing valuable information that pique their interest. So often through, it could be your blog post, and as you build your reputation, more and more people will start to search for you and start to engage, and there's more interest because they're interested in the topic or the topics that you're talking about. Videos as well. So YouTube again, I mean, YouTube is such a good platform, I think. And I specifically, I'm just focusing on YouTube. I'm trying to keep it very sort of like just going for that one thing rather than branching out. And another factor is sort of your email newsletters. So the email newsletters will be part of an automation, a campaign, which is again something that I've covered in previous videos. And then we've got decisions. So encouraging your prospects to make a purchase with compelling offers, or discounts or detailed product information. So this is where the customer's actually starting to make that decision. You know, am I interested? Okay, I'm going to go for it because it's a really good offer. So often people will add bonuses as well. So that would it will help you stand out from competitors if you're offering a bonus or just something that's more compelling than the others. So you need to think about that. And once you know who your avatar is, who your customer that you want to sell to, which is your niche, as it were, you'll be able to put together a much better sales campaign. And finally, action. So converting those leads into customers by facilitating the purchase process and providing excellent customer support. So I'm going to show you a template in a minute, which is where you would be converting your customer into a paying customer, or, you know, like an interested customer into a paying customer. And of course, yeah, excellent customer support. I think that's really important, especially these days, because so many products out there, and a lot of them don't get very good support. Okay, so let's move on to 5 reasons why every business needs a sales funnel. First of all, maximizing your conversion rates. A sales funnel is designed to guide potential customers through a series of steps, and each are tailored to move them closer to making a purchase. By addressing their needs and concerns at each stage, you can significantly increase your conversion rates. And this is a structured, approach. So it ensures that no lead is left unattended, and it's maximizing your chances of turning prospects into paying clients. So number 2, efficient lead management. Managing leads effectively really is crucial for any business. A sales funnel helps you to categorize and prioritize leads based on the stages of the buying process, and then this kind of can then all lead into your automation, and it allows you to focus your efforts on the most promising prospects as well, so ensuring efficient use of your time and resources. Next, we're going on to 3, and that's improved customer relationships. A well-constructed sales funnel not only drives sales, but it also helps build strong relationships with your customers, which is really important, as we will know. And, by providing valuable content and support throughout their journey, you're demonstrating your commitment to meeting their needs, and that's really important as well. And then we're moving on to better marketing insights. A sales funnel provides valuable data on how prospects move through the buying process. So by analysing the data, which is what we're doing throughout the stages of our sort of customer journey, or our online business journey, really, you can gain insights into what works and what doesn't. And that's something that I've never been very good at. And that's something that I need to improve on myself, because at the end of the day, if you've got all the information there, all you've got to do is find ways of analysing it. And there's obviously different ways for different products that you're using. And it allows you to optimize your efforts, improving your overall marketing effectiveness and your return on investment, your ROI. Okay, let's move on to number 5, scalability and automation. Once established, a sales funnel can be automated to handle a large volume of leads without manual intervention. This scalability is essential for growing your business online, and it enables you to reach and convert more prospects without proportional increase in effort or cost. Okay, so that's your 5 reasons. And now we're going to just a really quick conclusion before I move on to showing you the template. So a well-designed sales funnel ensures your business can thrive in this competitive online marketplace. Embrace the power of sales funnels to guide your prospects on a seamless journey from awareness to action, and watch your online revenue soar. Okay, so that's the end of my little presentation. Now we're going to move on. And let's see, I'm just going to stop my screen. Okay, so I'm back and sharing my screen. So this is a 1-page sales order funnel, I would call it, or a sales order template, really. And this would be part of your funnel. And so what you're doing here, this is something that I've created in Systeme.io, and I've made it into a template which I'm giving away. And you can put your own image here. You can obviously put your own text. This is just a view. So the funnels, this is a picture of, this is just showing the back end of the funnel. But I'm just doing a view of the funnel. So if I just do a view, it brings it up for you. And it kind of gives you all the information, so you can put your text and headline in. You maybe have some testimonials to help with the final sale. And you'll also have things like your privacy policy, if you have any refund policy, and your terms, but whatever you're going to put, and your logo, just to show people that you are genuine. And here would be where they put their information in, which is encrypted. So this would link with whichever payment gateway that you're using, such as Stripe or PayPal, etc. So that's basically it, really. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to move that up a bit and go on to my final page. So it's really saying to you, thank you for your time. Let's move that back up. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. And yeah, if you'd like to try the software that I use called Systeme.io, feel free to take my link in the comments and also subscribe down below if you're interested in getting more videos. This is now a video of 10 that I'm putting together. So this is video 8. And yeah, looking forward to seeing you in the next video.